Lisbon's hidden gems. Discover ancient wonders and modern marvels. Did you know that Lisbon, the vibrant capital of Portugal, is one of the oldest cities in Western Europe? Its history spans over 3,000 years, making it older than Rome, London, and even Paris. One of the gems of Lisbon is the National Museum of Azulejos. This tile museum offers a unique glimpse into Portugal's history through its traditional hand-painted tiles, known as azulejos. Stroll through the Tapada das Necessidades, a lesser-known but enchanting park. This historic green space offers a peaceful retreat with its beautiful gardens, ponds, and ancient trees, perfect for nature lovers. Looking for a trendy spot? Head to LX Factory. This creative hub, located in a former industrial area, is now bursting with vibrant street art, quirky shops, and eclectic eateries. For an engineering marvel, don't miss the Aqueduto das Águas Livres. This 18th-century aqueduct spans the Alcantara Valley and boasts some of the tallest stone arches in the world. For a holistic experience, check out 8 the Health Lounge. This wellness haven combines healthy food, yoga, and mindfulness practices, creating a serene space for relaxation and rejuvenation. As you explore these fascinating locations, you'll discover that Lisbon is a city where history seamlessly blends with modernity. Every corner tells a story, every street holds a secret. Craving a unique dining experience? Visit AO26 Vegan Food Project. This popular restaurant offers a delectable array of vegan dishes, proving that plant-based cuisine can be both diverse and delicious. Whether you're wandering through the cobblestone streets or marveling at contemporary art, Lisbon offers an experience like no other. It's a city that captivates and inspires everyone who visits. Don't forget to capture your memories. Lisbon's picturesque landscapes and vibrant culture provide endless photo opportunities for your travel diary or social media feeds. We'd love to hear which spots you're most excited to explore. If you enjoyed this journey through Lisbon, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more travel guides and hidden gems from around the world. And remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Your support helps us bring you more amazing content. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has inspired you to discover the wonders of Lisbon. Until next time, happy travels and see you in the next video.